it's dark. So it's evening on Tuesday, I guess, and got something in the mail today. We're real happy about it here. I got a seed order in, so I'm going to open that up here in just a minute. A little update. You happen to be sitting on the grandpa cart, which is nice and cleaned off. I've had clean glasses all week because I can get to stuff on the grandpa cart. So here we go. Use this cloth. Some other things that have happened since cleaning off the grandpa cart. I found my favorite top pin. I found my sunglasses, and I did find my binoculars. So things are turning around just in time for spring. Alright, so I got my seed order from Baker's. Thought I'd open it up and share some hope and possibility with you. Alright. Some mustard greens. Kale. Brussels sprouts, some sweet corn, more tomatillos, purple carrots, onions, eggplant, peach habaneros, loofahs. We're going to grow loofahs this year. We're going to dry them and use them for dishwashing. That's our cat asking to go out. You might want to know, I also just let that cat in. Alright, we got some more in here. Poblano peppers. More carrots. A new calendula. Carrots. Banana peppers. I've been wanting to grow banana peppers. Some really pretty corn. Glass gem corn. I'm really excited to try this. We don't normally have the space to grow corn. More banana peppers. Birdhouse gourds. Glass corn. Another variety of eggplant. Sweet corn. Oh, okay, so here are some surprises. Okay, a striped eggplant that we did order. Another striped eggplant that we ordered. They overpacked it due to a 54% germination rate, so they gave us double just in case. Guess those seeds are getting elderly. Some white eggplant. More carrots. Lots of carrots. More carrots. Alright, now, oh my goodness, we got seeds everywhere. That's mine, Luna. Alright, now we got 4 that are free gifts. A thank you gift. Lemon bee balm. This is a perennial. This will be great. Lemon bee balm. This was given to me free. Okay, very cool. I gotta pick up these seeds. Cinnamon basil. Okay, I never would ever buy cinnamon basil on my own, but I gotta say, I'm kind of curious. Ooh. A special carrot. I don't know anything about it. Amarillo carrot. And then a special dill of sorts. Okay, so I'm really excited about these free seeds especially. So we just got these in. I haven't started germinating any of these seeds, of course, because they just came. However, there are quite a few downstairs germinating. And so I've got a video that we're working on showing what we've done to set up our germination room and seed starting room down in the basement. All right, just wanted to share what we got in. We have a few more seeds coming in from the tomato seed supplier, and I'll go ahead and put links to where we got our seeds this year in the video so that you can click on those and see what you might see if you're interested in anything. This is the first time I've ever ordered seeds like this through Baker, so I'm real excited about these seeds. They came recommended, so we'll see what happens. All right. Have a lovely night.